Launching GARI Quests. Now reach out to Chingari's millions of Web3 users and convert them into prospective customers. Whether it's getting KYCs or installs, registrations or signups, with 70% of revenues earned from quests going back to users, making it an insanely innovative offering. To tap them at the right place and the right time. The ads are non-intrusive and opt-in, unlike the intrusive ads you see in Web2 social. Tap superlative talent across dance, music, fashion, beauty, food, finance, fintech, astrology, and so much more. Millions of Chingari users from north to south, east to west, and beyond borders. New age consumers. GARI Quests, your excellence. Speak to us today, because smartness is spending on users, not just on the advertising platform.